When constructing and labeling Venn diagrams from given information, it's often very useful to use this formula here in order to determine this region here, the combined events. Okay, so in this context, that highlighted section would be students who study both physics and chemistry. In the formula, that's represented by that part of it. So the first thing that you might like to do is rearrange that formula algebraically to make the intersection the subject and the union part of the formula. Okay, remember this means the intersection of two events, and in probability, that's our and this means the union. And in probability, that's our inclusive or, meaning physics or chemistry or both. So, to work this out, we'll start by labeling the information that we're given. And we are told that there are 34 who study neither chemistry nor physics, and they belong here. Now, in terms of filling out the rest of it, it's now time to go to the formula. So the probability, in our case, it's not A and B we're dealing with, it's physics and chemistry. So the probability that someone studies physics and chemistry is equal to the probability of someone chosen at random studying physics plus chemistry minus the probability of them studying physics or chemistry or both. So in terms of who studies physics, that's 48 out of 123 people. Those who study chemistry, that's 74 out of 123. And what you'll notice is that this adds up to 122. We've already got 34 in the Venn diagram, so that's way more than 123. And that's because with physics and with chemistry, we are adding in that overlap twice, and that's why we have to subtract. The union. So let's label here. We've got physics, we've got chemistry. Now what we're going to have to do is subtract that union. And the union, so that's all people who study physics or chemistry or both, that is 123 minus 34 over 123. Okay, that gives us 48 plus 74 minus 89 over 123, which is 33 over 123. Okay, so that means there's 33 people who study physics and chemistry out of the total of 123. The people that only study physics then, that's got to add up to 48. And the people who only study chemistry, that's got to add up to 74, which leaves us with 41. So, to answer this question, what's the probability that a student chosen at random studies both physics and chemistry? It is 33 over 123. Or 11 over 41.